Hi, I'm Pat McGough, Market Development Manager here at Siemens. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the next level of design for manufacturability of printed circuit boards and packaging substrates. It's what we at Siemens call manufacturing-driven design. Everyone wants to accelerate their time to revenue and maximize the profits of a new product. The question is how? I like the analogy of a bridge. We see manufacturing-driven design as the bridge between design and manufacturing. It bridges the manufacturing knowledge with the design process. Only Siemens operates on both sides of and across the electronics bridge. I once had an engineering director at a global automotive company tell me he considers revision spins engineering scrap. It makes sense. In essence, you're having to scrap the earlier revisions of a design because your team did not get something optimized the first time. It has been shown that companies using Valor NPI software had 57% fewer revision spins. Manufacturing-driven design takes DFM to the next level by enabling actual manufacturing process capabilities to be used in the design review process. Your manufacturing partner's capabilities can be easily imported into Valor NPI to eliminate the delays historically seen when your designs are put on hold by your suppliers. The system then captures the technology inherent in the PCB design and associates it with appropriate manufacturing processes to automatically select which rules and values to apply. Siemens Valor NPI software is the industry's most comprehensive DFM solution. Valor NPI identifies areas to improve a design for yield, cost, and reliability, all while you're still in the design process. It operates in the native EDA layout user interface, which makes it very easy for designers to learn, use, and benefit from DFM. Only Siemens knows both sides of the bridge, and Valor NPI's manufacturing-driven design is the solution that bridges this gap. There are many benefits to implementing a manufacturing-driven design approach. You can even say it's strategic to your business. Let's get started.